Hello dear students, in today's video we will be solving questions from the lesson 3.4 The Brook from class 7th English textbook. So let's start. Class 7th English, chapter 3.4, The Brook. 3.4 The Brook. Meanings: haunt, a place that one visits often, where one spends a lot of time. Coot and hern. Coot and hern are both water birds. Hern stands for the common European heron. Sally, a quick journey. Bicker, run noisily. Thorpe, Old English word for a village. Sharps and trebles. Musical sounds. Fret, wear out, gnaw. Fairy foreland. Here, it refers to a scenic place that looks like an entrance to fairyland. Mallow, a plant with purple flowers. Grayling, a freshwater fish with a long fin. Skimming swallows. Swallows that touch the brook lightly and quickly as they fly over it. Shingly, full of shingles, that is, small rounded pebbles or stones. Bar, barrier, obstacle. Cress, small plant. English workshop. Question 1. Find the meaning of the following words or phrases. 1. Ridges. 2. Brimming. 3. Eddying. 4. Babble. 5. Fallow. 6. Trout. 7. Netted. Answer. 1. High edges along a mountain. 2. Full of something. 3. Moving fast in circles. 4. To make a noise as if talking too much. 5. Land that is not planted with crops. 6. A brown fish that lives in rivers or lakes. 7. Like a net. Question 2. Answer the following. Sub-question 1. Who is the speaker in this poem? Answer. The brook is the speaker in the poem. Sub-question 2. Which lines are repeated in the poem? What do they mean? Answer. Lines repeated. For men may come and men may go, but I go on for forever. Meaning, these lines indicate that the river lives much longer than human beings. Sub-question 3. Where does the brook join the river? Answer. The brook joins the river by Philip's farm. Sub-question 4. Mention the various places that the brook flows past. Answer. The brook flows past the haunts of coot and hern, the valley, hills, ridges, villages, bridges, Philip's farm, stony ways, eddying bays, fields and fallows and brambly wildernesses. Sub-question 5. Often the brook speaks of itself as if it is human. For example, I bicker down a valley. Find 2 other examples of the human activities of the brook. Answer. 1. I chutter over stony ways. 2. and murmur under moon and stars. Question 3. Spot and write any 3 alliterative phrases or sentences from the poem. Alliterative phrases / sentences are those in which the same sound is repeated. Answer. 1. By many a field and fallow. 2. And here and there a foamy flake. 3. Above the golden gravel. 4. I slip, I slide, I gloom, I glance. Question 4. List the prepositions you find in this poem. Answer. From, of, among, down, between, by, over, into, on, with, upon, above, for, against, under, round. Question 5. List the phrases which have the expression many a dash dash. Answer. Many a curve, many a field and fallow, many a fairy foreland, many a silvery water break. Question 6. The poet uses words to create pictures or images in the reader's mind. For example, and sparkle out among the fern. Write down other lines that create images or pictures in your mind. Any 3. Answer. 1. By 30 hills I hurry down. 2. I wind about and in and out, with here a blossom sailing. 3. I make the netted sunbeam dance against my sandy shallows. Question 7. Write a short autobiography of a brook. 20 to 30 lines. Answer. I am a brook. I start flowing from the hills. I don't know when I was born. I feel as if I have been there always. I flow across hills and valleys and plains and ridges. I flow under bridges. I flow past farms. As I flow, I make many sounds depending on the type of ground I am flowing over. Sometimes I flow straight. Sometimes I flow in a curve. I pass many trees and bushes. I see many birds and animals on the way. Many fish swim along with me. I draw them all along with me until I reach the river. Many people will see me flow, but I will have no end. I will flow forever. Question 8. Which other things in nature can say? For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. Answer. Hills, valleys, plains, plateau.
Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video. Share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.